Imagine a world where your kitchen becomes a battleground for culinary innovation, where two mighty appliances vie for supremacy on your countertop. On one side, the Instant Pot, a multi-talented marvel that promises to revolutionize meal prep with its versatility. On the other, the Air Fryer, a sleek specialist in delivering crispy, guilt-free delights. Which of these kitchen titans will claim victory in your home? Today, I will dive deep into the heart of this debate, using a series of comparison titles to uncover the strengths, weaknesses, and unique features of each appliance. Let's get ready to rumble in the kitchen. Which kitchen gadget saves you more time? When it comes to speed, both the Instant Pot and Air Fryer have their strengths, but they cater to different cooking needs. The Instant Pot, with its pressure cooking capabilities, can drastically reduce cooking times for dishes like stews, soups, and tough cuts of meat, often preparing meals in under an hour that would take 2 to 4 hours traditionally. However, the time to build pressure, sometimes up to 20 minutes, can offset this advantage for smaller meals. In contrast, air fryers are lightning fast for smaller portions or snacks, preheating in under 5 minutes and cooking foods like fries or chicken in 15 to 25 minutes. Their compact internal space means hot air circulates quickly, making them ideal for quick meals without the wait. If time is of the essence for single servings or side dishes, the air fryer often wins. Battle of versatility. Versatility is where the Instant Pot shines like a culinary Swiss Army knife. It combines functions like pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and even yogurt making into one device. Some models, like the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, even offer air frying with an additional lid, making it a true all-in-one appliance. This breadth of options means you can tackle a wide range of recipes, from chili to cheesecake, with a single tool. Air fryers, while less versatile, are masters of their domain, crisping food with minimal oil. They excel at roasting, broiling, and frying foods like chicken wings or vegetables, but they're not suited for liquid-heavy dishes like soups or stews. Their focused functionality makes them a specialist rather than a generalist. Healthy cooking. Health-conscious cooks will find compelling arguments on both sides. The Instant Pot often retains more nutrients in food due to its steam-based cooking methods, which preserve vitamins and minerals better than prolonged boiling or baking. It's ideal for healthy soups, grains, and steamed veggies without added fats. Air fryers, however, take the crown for reducing oil consumption, using up to 90% less oil than traditional deep frying. This translates to lower calorie and fat content. Air-fried fries can have 200 fewer calories per serving compared to deep-fried ones. They also produce fewer harmful compounds like acrylamide, linked to health risks in high-heat frying. If cutting fat is your goal, the air fryer is a clear winner. Size comparison. Countertop real estate is a precious commodity in many kitchens, and both appliances have their spatial pros and cons. Instant Pots are generally bulkier, often the size of a basketball, with capacities ranging from 3 to 8 quarts. They require significant storage or display space, especially if you have a model with an extra air fryer lid. Air fryers come in a wider range of sizes, from compact 2-quart models to larger 7-quart versions. Many designs are more portable and lighter than Instant Pots, making them easier to tuck away or move around. If space is tight, a smaller air fryer might be the better fit. Ease of use. For beginners, ease of use can make or break an appliance's appeal. Instant Pots, with their myriad functions and settings, often come with a steeper learning curve. Recipes may require trial and error, especially when accounting for pressure buildup times or adjusting cook durations. It's not uncommon to under or overcook a dish while mastering the device. Air fryers, on the other hand, are delightfully straightforward. With simple controls for time and temperature, they're intuitive even for kitchen novices. You can easily check on food mid-cook without disrupting a pressure cycle, making them more forgiving for experimentation. For hassle-free operation, air fryers take the lead. Crispy versus tender. Texture is a defining factor in this comparison, as each appliance delivers distinct results. Air fryers are unrivaled for achieving a crispy, crunchy exterior on foods like fries, chicken, or veggies. Their hot air circulation mimics deep frying without the grease, resulting in satisfyingly crisp bites. Instant Pots excel at producing tender, moist dishes. Their pressure and slow cooking functions are perfect for braises, stews, and meats that fall off the bone. However, they can't replicate the crispiness of an air fryer unless equipped with a specialized lid. If tenderness is your priority, the Instant Pot reigns supreme. Affordability. Price is a critical consideration for many, and both appliances offer options across budget ranges. Instant Pots generally provide better value for money due to their versatility, often replacing multiple kitchen tools. Basic models start around $60 to $100, while premium versions with air frying capabilities can reach $200 or more. Air fryers are often more affordable up front, with compact models starting as low as $40 and larger or dual basket versions topping out at $150 to $200. However, their narrower functionality means you might still need other appliances for varied cooking needs. For sheer bang for your buck, the Instant Pot often edges out. All-in-one or specialized. This comparison boils down to whether you want a jack of all trades or a master of one. The Instant Pot's range of functions, pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, and more, makes it a kitchen workhorse capable of handling nearly any recipe. It's the go-to for those who want to consolidate their cooking tools. Air fryers, by contrast, are highly specialized. They're designed to perfect the art of low-oil frying and roasting, delivering unmatched results in that niche. If you're looking for a dedicated crisping machine, the air fryer is your champion. Batch sizes. Feeding a family or hosting a gathering highlights stark differences between these gadgets. Instant Pots, with their larger capacities, up to 8 quarts, are built for batch cooking. You can prepare entire meals, think soups, casseroles, or roasts, for multiple people in one go, making them ideal for meal prep or big dinners. Air fryers typically have smaller baskets, often 2 to 7 quarts, which limit batch sizes. They're better suited for smaller households or cooking individual components of a meal, like sides or snacks. Cooking for a crowd usually means multiple batches, which can be time-consuming. For larger groups, the Instant Pot is the better bet. Performance. Innovation has blurred the lines between these appliances, with hybrid options like the Instant Pot Duo Crisp, which includes an air fryer lid. This allows you to pressure cook and air fry in one device, saving space and offering the best of both worlds. However, the air frying performance may not match that of a dedicated air fryer, often producing slightly less crispy results. Standalone air fryers remain the gold standard for crispiness, as their design is optimized for hot air circulation. If you're torn between the two, a hybrid Instant Pot offers convenience, but purists might prefer a separate air fryer for top-tier frying results. Which should you choose? The battle between Instant Pot and air fryer ultimately comes down to your cooking style, kitchen space, and priorities. If you value versatility, batch cooking, and moist, tender meals, the Instant Pot is your ideal companion. It's a multifunctional powerhouse that can replace several appliances, saving time on complex dishes. Conversely, if crispy textures, quick meals, and healthier frying are your goals, the air fryer steals the show. Its simplicity and speed make it perfect for smaller portions or health-conscious cooks looking to cut oil without sacrificing flavor. For those who can't decide, a hybrid model like the Instant Pot Duo Crisp offers a compromise, though it may not excel in air frying as much as a standalone unit. Consider your most frequent recipes, counter space, and budget to crown your kitchen champion. Whichever you choose, both appliances promise to elevate your culinary game in their own unique way.